Quilts and M scrap bag. And if you're like me, sometimes your muscles get tight and sore and you have a back or neck or your hips hurt from sewing too much. So we don't want to give up our sewing, so let me show you some stretches you can do to help eliminate these problems. Remember, if you like my video, to like and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, first of all, let's do a neck roll. We want our shoulders down. Don't bring them up here when you're rolling your neck. Leave them down. And then we're going to roll our head to our chin. Roll it over to the side. If there's a place where it's tight and stiff, kind of leave it there. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Roll to the other side. Remember to breathe. All right, you're going to want to do that a few times. Remembering to breathe, kind of breathe in where the tight part is and let it release as you let your breath out. Okay, now that's one stretch we can do. Another stretch that is really good is to lift our arm up and stretch from our shoulder down through our side. Take a deep breath and let it out. And then we'll just do that on the other side. Remember to leave your shoulders down and away from your ear. You want to be stretching and not bunching everything up. And then just remember to breathe. You want to do a few of those. Now I'm going to turn this way and I'm going to do a cat and cow. So we're going to hunch our shoulders. Sometimes I even stretch back like this and with my table. And we're just imagine each vertebrae opening up along the back side of our back. We're just going to arch that. And then we're going to go the other way. We're opening up in the front side of our body. And remember to breathe, and you're going to want to do that both ways a few times. You can stretch side to side like this. Just stretch and let your body release. All right. Then we can do a forward fold into our chair like this. And if you want to add an added stretch, you're going to leave your hands up like this and bring them up towards your head. Then take a couple breaths. All right. Now we can twist in our chair. Twist this way. Remember to lengthen up through your body. Don't sink in. Stretch and lift. Or lift and stretch. Go the other way. Remembering to lift up through your body. Don't sink like this and stretch. Lift up. All right. Now we're going to bring our knee up to our chest. We want to feel a stretch through our lower back and our buttocks. Okay, and do that over here. Okay, and then we're going to make a 4 here. And we're going to lean forward. And just lean until you feel the stretch in your lower back and in your buttocks. And stretch down here in your hip. Remember to breathe. Remember that you're lengthening your body out. Don't scrunch it while you're doing it. Make your body go forward lengthened. All right. And if you do each of those exercises 3 or 4 times, your body will feel so much better and you'll have more hours to sew. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to like and subscribe. See you. Bye.